So I can't really show you how to screencast when I'm using Screencastify. But if you've installed Screencastify, you'll have this button right here, this little arrow, and when you click it, it'll say, ask you what you want to screencast, and you just say your desktop. And then you can also put in your webcam. So you have to allow your mic and allow your webcam if you want students to see you. So turn those two things on and then just click record. It'll count down. You'll have your video playing here so that you can go ahead and make your video full screen if you want. And you'll keep the stop sharing button. It'll show down here at the bottom. So now you know you're recording everything. It says Screencastify is recording your screen, so you know that that's going. So you play your video while it's recorded, while your Screencastify is recording. So I would just click play here.
Just a little flower with some petals, and then we can just draw a stem just like that, and then have the same curve that you just did, just follow along with that. Just like this.
Okay, and then let's say you are done. You don't want to share anymore. You would click right here to click stop sharing.
Like that.
And once you click stop sharing, the screencast will then be able to be downloaded. So you'll follow those directions on how to download it, and then you can upload it into YouTube.